Alright, here she is, finished. And it is pretty cool that this knob turns the whole thing. And there's there's the 3 little U-joints. And you know, these 2 knobs back here, which it is kind of a slow process, but when you spin this one, all these gear mechanisms that you can't see super well, but anyways, if you spin this, you see that top U-joint, and that is what, as that spins, the bucket dumps and picks up. And then if I spin this one, turns those gears with that middle U-joint and that, and you can see these guys here. Well, this rod must be threaded or something, because that gear spinning is what, there's a lift arm on this side as well. But these must have some kind of threaded insert or something in there, because as you're spinning these knobs, depending on which one, and these gears are turning, it's either this rod going in and out, which is the bucket, tilt up, down, or these side ones go in and out, and that's what causes it to go, the arms to go up and down. So, yep, pretty awesome.